So we'll be discussing the word wonder called sleep question answers, bete. Anyone read out all the word meanings first? Yes, Ishita Kapoor is there. Yeah, bete. Read out the first one. Very good. Fatigue means tiredness. Then probable, that you expect to happen or likely to be true. Unfathomable, which cannot be measured. What is the meaning of binding then? Winding. Very good. The thing which can bend or it has a curve in it. It is called winding. Next is certain. What is the meaning of certain, Vete? Very good. It means when you are completely sure about something. Like there is, this is a certain condition. Means you are completely sure about that condition. I hope the word bank is clear to everyone. Fine, students. Coming on to the question answers. What is the most obvious advantage of sleep? Don't read the answer which is written in the text. Just listen to me, bete. What I am saying is, don't read the answer what is written in the text in this PDF. You tell me the answer in your own language, in your own words. What is the most obvious advantage of sleep? What is the benefit of sleep? Yes, tell me fast. Quickly, students. Yes, speak up. Very good. When our body becomes tired, Bete, so what happens? Yes, very good. Excellent, Bete. So the advantage of sleep is that it gives rest to our tired body. So that is why sleep is very important. And after a good sleep, we become alert and active again for the day's work. If we are not alert, if we are not active, we cannot do our work. Second question: what happens to our body when we sleep? What happens to our body, Bete, when we sleep? Yes, speak up, Bete. Very good. When we sleep, our body gets much needed rest. Excellent. Our muscles rest, Bete. They relax. Our heartbeat slows down, and our body temperature and blood pressure also falls. So this is what happens when we sleep. Next question. Define a dream in your own words. So, what is dream according to you? Answer in your own words, Vijay. Very good. Very good. So, a dream is an activity of the mind that takes place when we are asleep. Next is, why are dreams important? Why they are important, Vijay? Tell me two reasons. Yes, Vijay, Ishita, please repeat. Okay, very good. First of all, they help us sleep. Yeah, you tell your own in your own words, Ishita. Tell me two reasons, Vijay. Why are dreams important according to you? Okay, very nice. Very good, Ishita. So they help us sleep through noise and disturbances. If there would be no disturbances, if there would be no noises, so we can sleep fine. And all the problems, all the worries can be eradicated. they can be removed. Next is they provide us many solutions to any of the problem. If we have any problem, so when we will sleep, after waking up, our mind will become active and alert. So we will be more agile to do the works. Next question, why has sleep been called a wonder? So what is the name of the chapter? What the name of the chapter is? What is the name? Very good. So why? Very good. So why has sleep been called a wonder, Vijay? Tell me fast. Very good. Excellent, Vijay. Excellent. Very nice. Everybody clap for Ishita Kapoor. Hurry up, clap for Ishita Kapoor. Very good, Vijay. Very good. So the answer to this question is sleep has become a wonder because nobody knows for certain what brings about sleep. Secondly, it takes us to a strange land. Obviously, Vijay, we are not aware when we sleep what kind of dream we take. Sweetest thing in the world. It's a sort of escape from the reality. So at that time, we are not in our reality. We are in some other world. We forget our worries. Right, class? Fine. This much is clear to everyone. This much is clear. Fine, students. Hope the question answers plus the chapter is clear to everyone. Fine. Thank you, children. Bete.